For over decades, MBO and H+H have been shaping the future of complex folding technology. With deep expertise in thin paper, we continue to push what's possible. As formats grow and applications become more complex, precision is no longer optional, it's critical. Inside our Innovation Center, engineers and specialists work side by side to solve the challenges of a rapidly evolving market. We design with the future in mind, because when working on the edge of what materials allow, every detail matters. So that's why we created the T8, engineered for performance, built to complete the full ecosystem. Designed to handle thin paper with speed, complex folds with precision, and high volumes with reliability. Expanding production capabilities up to 780 millimeters, the T8 sets a new standard in the growing demand for wider formats. Every component is engineered to work together, creating a system that doesn't just perform, but elevates the entire production process, mastering the finest details and pushing them further than ever before.